Now here we are inside the VU Player dashboard. Now I'm only going to have time to show you a fraction of what VU Player can do, but we'll get through as much of it as we can. So once you log in, just click the new video button here, and then go ahead and fill in the blanks here. And then you've got all these options to let you do anything and everything inside of your video. It's really just point, click, and publish. We really have made everything extremely easy for you. So to demonstrate, I'll go ahead and choose a video from YouTube for now. Here's a video I just grabbed. And this isn't my video, it's just one that I found on YouTube that I want to use here. And that means if you find any video that you think that you can monetize, from YouTube or Vimeo, you can just stick it into VU Player as well and start making bank from someone else's video. Now maybe you can find a review video or an explainer video about a product or service that you want to promote. That's totally fine. Just grab that video. Someone else has already done the work to create that video and you make the profit from it. Pretty cool, huh? Now, of course, I told you that you can use VU Player to get free video hosting from somewhere else besides YouTube, and I was serious when I told you that. Now, if you want to run one of your own videos from Dropbox, you just drop the link in there the exact same way, and suddenly you're using the world's largest free online storage service to serve up your videos for free. Didn't know you could do that, did you? That's pretty cool, I think. Now, at this point, our super simple, incredibly powerful point and click interface opens up so you can see the entire superpowers list right in front of you. Now, look at all these advanced features over here. And check out this timeline on the bottom here. Every item that you add shows at the exact time you want your viewers to be presented with it. Just go ahead and choose a superpower to add to your video, add an item to the timeline, and VU Player automatically handles everything for you. It's so easy and there's so much you can do here, really. Now you can make an opt-in form pop up at the exact moment you're telling your viewers to sign up for your list. Matching the audio and visuals up like this leads to sky-high conversion rates from your videos, by the way. Now you can make people opt in before they can watch any of your video at all, or you can actually force them to share it for free viral traffic back to your video. Now you can show virtually any custom element like forms or live chat boxes, and you can add a clickable buy button to get more people to your checkout pages or offers. And that's not even the advanced stuff. Take a look at this. Now you can actually use VU Player to schedule a video to stream at specific days or at a certain date and time for a live feel without using any other software. Check this out. If you've ever wanted to run webinars before, this is a great way of getting webinar level conversions without actually needing to be there presenting the webinar. You can enable your video to start auto-playing on every visit or on first visit only to avoid annoying repeated visitors. That means if someone starts watching your video, maybe they watch the first 2 minutes, well, if they come back, the video will actually take off from that 2-minute mark. They won't have to restart the video. So this is our feature called Smart Play. This ensures visitors don't miss a second of your video. It triggers video auto pause if the video is not visible in their browser window, and autoplay when they go back.
Hey JBs, Peter Beattie here from VideoRevolver.com, and on behalf of myself and my partners on this VU Player launch,
this means if they scroll away from the video will stop playing. They actually have to have the video in view for it to play. Talk about skyrocketing your video viewer engagement. Now you can also add Facebook and social media buttons inside or under your video right here. You can activate the pulsating play button so your video will never go unnoticed. That play button there is really impossible to ignore, I think. So this is probably the second most profitable feature. Now VU Player comes with intelligent video remarketing. Now what this means basically is that you can target or retarget the people who've watched a certain percentage of your video, but they didn't buy. And you can actually recover those lost sales. What's also incredible with this feature is that you'll be able to score the cheapest Facebook ads ever, because sending ad traffic to a video Facebook post is cheap money. And Facebook loves it because you're keeping the traffic on Facebook. Now, once you're done adding all your superpowers to your video, just go ahead and click the publish button and publish your video anywhere. You can publish it on WordPress, or even your own self-hosted website, not on WordPress. You can publish it on Facebook, literally anywhere that you want to. And get this, most of the Voo Player features work on Facebook. That means you can collect leads, generate traffic and sales all within the Facebook newsfeed. How cool is that? Also, everything magically gets configured behind the scenes automatically, so you don't have to publish your link or video code again if you want to make any changes to an existing video. If you ever want to make changes to an existing video that you have on your site with Voo Player, just go ahead and make your changes in Voo Player, click save, and then the video on your site will auto-update. Now, one of the coolest things with Voo Player is that there are over 1,000 combinations to build an entire video marketing funnel inside any video that you want. If you can think of it, you can create it with Voo Player instantly with a simple point and a click. Now, I've only shown you a few of Voo Player's superpowers, and I bet your mind is already racing with all of the ways you'll be able to use Voo Player to generate more traffic, more leads, and more income from your videos. Next, as your video is up and running, you can click the Insights button and have X-ray vision of your video's performance to make better video content decisions and watch your profits and conversions soar through the roof. For example, you can actually see which parts of your video that have been watched, skipped, and rewatched for each and every single viewer of your video. You can view a detailed engagement graph and see metrics on how the audience as a whole has viewed your video. Now, even Wistia doesn't have analytics as good as Voo Player's. Those other guys will be spending like $50 a month, and you'll be beating them with Voo Player. So let me show you one more thing. I said that the remarketing was the second most profitable feature. Now, this is the one that beats it. This is where Voo Player lets you split test your videos right inside Facebook. This, my friend, is a game changer for you. You can test hundreds of videos on Facebook from a single Facebook video ad or on your website. Whether you're testing different prices, call to actions, video content, or trying out a new video style, video split testing is the fastest way to find out what works for your audience. Now you can start split testing any variables of your videos on your website or Facebook within just minutes with just 3 simple steps. Step 1, just select 2 videos that you want to split test, or select hundreds for all we care. You can select as many as you want to split test. Step 2, copy a single link and paste it into your Facebook page, Facebook group, or Facebook profile, or simply run a Facebook video ad. Step 3, measure the results and see which video your Facebook fans relate to most. Forget about guessing and instead boost conversions through the roof with solid data. Whatever you do online, Voo Player is there for you. Sell products? Voo Player's shifted millions of dollars of product already. Of course, you'll be able to capture a load more leads, but what you'll really come to love are the analytics. Learning exactly which bits of your video are engaging and exactly where people start to drop is going to add a lot to your bottom line. You don't even need a product of your own or a video of your own. Just find a review video on YouTube, drop your affiliate link in there, boom, instant income stream. Maybe you're building a following. Then you can use Voo Player to run regular live webinars when you're nowhere near a computer and set up retargeting to bring back your most engaged viewers. Everything you've seen here, this is why people gladly pay $19 a month for Voo Player access. And it's exactly why they absolutely love Voo Player.